All right, everybody, this is what we've been waiting for here. Boy Beans coming at this with my first unboxing video. Guys, finally, after all this time, we've gotten the OnePlus 7T here. Let's get this going. All right, guys, let's see what's in it. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm waiting for. This nice packaging. Let's get this a little cleaned up and get this out of the way so we can show you guys the main event here. This is the OnePlus 7T. It's the culmination of all our design and engineering efforts and crafted for those who, like us, always strive for the very best. I like that a lot. Guys, just a heads up about this phone. This is the newest model from OnePlus here. And these guys have upgraded the processor just a little bit over the OnePlus 7 Pro that came out a few months ago. This one was just released early October, and your boy did get his hands on it here. It's got a Snapdragon Qualcomm 8855 in it. So pretty quick processor there. It's got 128 gigabytes of storage. It's got 8 gigabytes of RAM. Let's get this opened up and checked out. And let's see, guys. Oh, OnePlus, looking good here. And looks like there's a few things in here to start out. We got some stickers in here. Looks like we got a little message from these guys. We got the warranty information. We'll just get these things all taken out and removed. This is the phone right here. Make sure we're under here on the above thing. You guys see we have a whole fancy new setup, but oh, look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. And it feels nice and heavy in my hand, but not too heavy. It's just a very nice, like, lightweight phone. Let's get it open. Without further ado, I've been dying to just see this thing's features, and oh, it's beautiful. That thing out of the way there. As you guys can see there, nice phone. Looking pretty good. It's got a nice metal back and very, feel that cold steel to metal. Very sturdy feeling. And guys, there's just so much about this phone I'm looking forward to sharing with you. Those of you guys who've been following the channel, those of you guys who are familiar with my content know that I've always been big on my devices and what we can do with them. And well, here we go. Let's get started. I'm really looking forward to seeing what PUBG, Clash of Clans, and our other mobile games are going to be like. It's really going to be amazing here. Look at this powering up. Ooh, that looks so beautiful. So we'll give you guys a little more background here. This has got a 48 megapixel camera, 117 degree angle, wide lens there. You guys just see, we'll show you how responsive it is and just how, just look at that. Just look at the quick touching of it. Oh, I can't wait to play with this phone. It's gonna be so amazing. Keep it posted. We're gonna be unlocking this here in a second. We'll show you guys the ins and outs of this phone. Alright guys, and we'll go into what's inside now, what's under this. As you guys can see, got the charger port over here. This is the new Warp charger here. You can have the cell phone completely charged up in about 30 minutes time, 0 to 70%, 30 minutes time. We've got a default plastic case that was sent to us by OnePlus. Thank you, OnePlus. We've got the key to get in for our SIM card there. Put that with that, and then we've got our charger here, guys. And you can see that that's all the accessories right there for the OnePlus 7T. Get to show you some of the great footage we're going to get from this, guys. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me and watching this review. It's been great giving it to you guys, and we will see you on stream, twitch.tv/beansbrigade. Make sure you come and check me out sometime. Thanks a lot. Y'all have a great evening. Later.